Updating FedEx client configuration for IP address changes.
Update the configuration of your FedEx client when the remote server's IP address changes, or the FedEx client gets this error message. ShipEngine services are not running on the remote machine. This is a common issue, and with just a few steps you can ensure that your client connects smoothly. Let's get started. First, you'll need to locate the configuration file for your FedEx client. The location of this file can vary based on your operating system and the specific FedEx software you're using. Here are some general locations to check. On Windows, check the Program Files directory. Typically, you'll find it in cback/program whitespace files, whitespace left parenthesis x86, right parenthesis back/FedEx back/shipment back/bin. Then find the file called networklink.config.exe, config.xml, or config.ini, or config.json. Open this file or c:\back/program files back/FedEx back/FedEx client back/config or c:\back/users back/your username back/app data back/local back/FedEx back/. Once you've located the configuration file, it's time to update the IP address. Let me show you how. Open the configuration file in a text editor. It might be an exe, XML, ini, or JSON file. Locate the section where the server IP address is specified. For example, in an XML file, it might look like this. Server config server IP 192.168.1.39/server IP/server config change 192.168.1.39 to the new IP address provided by your server administrator. In an ini file, update the IP address in a similar way, and for a JSON file, update it here. After updating the IP address, save the file and close the text editor. Next, you'll need to restart the FedEx client to apply the changes. Restarting the FedEx client can be as simple as closing and reopening the application, or you might need to restart a service depending on your setup. Finally, test the connection to ensure everything is working correctly. If you're still having issues, consult the FedEx client's official documentation or contact their technical support for assistance.